Chapter 4, question number 13. X, Y, and Z, who are presently sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 5 is to 3 is to 2. That is, old PSR is 5 is to 3 is to 2. And the new PSR is given to us as 2 is to 3 is to 5. Give the journal entry to distribute workman compensation reserve of 1,20,000 at the time of change in profit sharing ratio when there is a claim of 80,000 against it. Workman compensation reserve is 1,20,000, 1,20,000 and claim is of 80,000, right? अब क्या करेंगे इस क्वेश्चन में? वर्कमैन कॉम्पेंसेशन रिजर्व हमने बना रखा है 1,20,000 का, और वर्कर्स ने हमसे कितना क्लेम कर लिया? उसमें से 80,000 वर्कर्स ने क्लेम कर लिया कॉम्पेंसेशन. So that means how much we are left with? Out of reserve, we have paid 80,000 in claim. So we are left only with 40,000 rupees. That 40,000 partners will distribute among themselves in old PSR. Clear about it? Reserve is of 1,20,000. 80,000 workers have claimed. So 80,000 we have given to the workers. And then 40,000 is left, and out of those 40,000, we will distribute those 40,000 in the old profit sharing ratio. So it is given here, the journal entry is workman compensation reserve account debited 40,000 to X capital account. Amount will be 40,000 into 5 by 10. Right? That will come equal to 20,000. To Y's capital account, 40,000 into 3 by 10. To Z's capital account, 40,000 into 2 by 10. So clear about it? Working notes are, look at the working notes, credited to X share. Yes. Now moving on to question number 16. Question number 14 in the book. X, Y, and Z, who are presently sharing profits and losses. Just a second. Presently sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 5 is to 3 is to 2. So the old PSR is 5 is to 3 is to 2. Let me take the highlighter. Old PSR is 5 is to 3 is to 2. Decide to share future profits and losses in the ratio of 2 is to 3 is to 5. So new PSR is 2 is to 3 is to 5. With effect from 1st April 2018, Workmen Compensation Reserve appears at 1,20,000 in the balance sheet as at 31st March 2018. Reserve is given to us as 1,20,000. And Workmen Compensation claim is estimated at 1,50,000. Claim is more than reserve. Pass journal entries for the accounting treatment of Workmen Compensation Reserve. So what we will be doing is, we will pass the journal entry Workmen Compensation Reserve account debited 1,20,000 and the claim is of 1,50,000. So 30,000 are still there. What we will be doing is 30,000 we will be charging from the revaluation account. So Workmen Compensation Reserve account 1,20,000. Revaluation account 30,000. To provision for workman compensation claim account 1,50,000. And now this 30,000 loss which we have incurred in the revaluation, that will be charged from the partners capital account, that will be debited in the partners capital account in their old PSR. So X capital account debit, Y's capital account debit, Z's capital account debited to revaluation account. And how we have calculated the amount? 30,000 into 5 by 10. 30,000 into 3 by 10. 30,000 into 2 by 10. Clear? So the questions are simple, all the adjustments which we have done yesterday. Now question number 15. A, B and C, who are presently sharing profits in the ratio of 5 is to 3 is to 2. Decide to share new PSR is 2 is to 3 is to 5. Give the journal entry to distribute investment fluctuation reserve of 20,000 at the time of change in PSR when investment market value 95,000 appears in the book at 1 lakh. बुक्स में उसकी क्या वैल्यू है 1 लाख इन्वेस्टमेंट की, और मार्केट में चेंज इन पीएसआर के टाइम उसकी वैल्यू क्या हो गई 95,000 हो गई. दैट मीन्स हमने बुक्स में 1 लाख लिखा हुआ है और उसकी वैल्यू मार्केट में कितना है 95,000. दैट मीन्स 5,000 कम है. बुक वैल्यू और मार्केट वैल्यू में 5,000 का डिफरेंस है. मार्केट में अगर आज हम उस इन्वेस्टमेंट से मनी रियलाइज करने जाएं तो हमें सिर्फ 95,000 मिलेगा. दैट मीन्स 5,000 की फ्लक्चुएशन आ गई, 5,000 से फॉल आ गया उसमें. वो फॉल हम कहाँ से चार्ज कर लेंगे, इन्वेस्टमेंट फ्लक्चुएशन रिजर्व अकाउंट से चार्ज कर लेंगे. So our journal entry will be investment fluctuation reserve account debited 5,000 for the fall in value of investments to investment account 5,000, right? So now we are left with how much money? Reserves are of 20,000. From 20,000, 5 15,000 will be distributed in the partners in their old PSR. Clear about it? Reserve is of 20,000. Out of this 20,000 reserve, we have given 5,000 for the fall in the value. So now partners are left only with, yes.
मैम आप बोल रहे हो रिजर्व 20,000 का है, फिर ये 1 लाख.
Just a second. Now Siddhant is asking a question that reserve is of 20,000 and from where this 1 lakh rupees has come. This is what you are asking, Siddhant? Siddhant, बैलेंस शीट में हमने इन्वेस्टमेंट का अमाउंट लिखा हुआ है कि मैंने इतना मनी इन्वेस्ट करा हुआ है 1 लाख रुपीस, राइट. असेट साइड में मैंने लिखा इन्वेस्टमेंट्स बैलेंस शीट में, और वहां मैंने उसके सामने अमाउंट लिखा 1 लाख. पर जब मैं चेंज इन पीएसआर के टाइम रिवैल्यूएशन कर रही हूँ, सारी चीजों की वैल्यू फिर से लगा रही हूँ, तो मैंने देखा कि जो इन्वेस्टमेंट का अमाउंट मैंने 1 लाख लिखा हुआ है बैलेंस शीट में, उसकी वैल्यू मार्केट में कितनी है 95,000. अगर वो इन्वेस्टमेंट मैं मार्केट में सेल कर रही हूँ तो वो सिर्फ 95,000 ही मनी उससे निकाल पाऊंगी मैं. इस फ्लक्चुएशन के साथ डील करने के लिए मैंने रिजर्व बनाया हुआ है पहले से ही. वो रिजर्व मेरा लायबिलिटी साइड में लिखा हुआ है कि मैंने प्रॉफिट में से ऑलरेडी कितना मनी सेट असाइड करा हुआ है 20,000 इस फ्लक्चुएशंस के साथ डील करने के लिए मैंने लिखा हुआ है, राइट. इन्वेस्टमेंट का बुक वैल्यू अलग है और रिजर्व का अलग है. इन्वेस्टमेंट में असेट साइड में लिखती हूँ 1 लाख रुपीस, और जो रिजर्व्स हैं वो मैंने लायबिलिटी साइड में लिखा हुआ है 20,000. नाउ क्लियर? अब उस रिजर्व में से मैंने जो 5,000 की फ्लक्चुएशन हुई, उस 5,000 की फ्लक्चुएशन को रिजर्व में से चार्ज कर लिया, तो मेरे पास अब रिजर्व्स कितने बच गए? रिजर्व्स मेरे पास अब सिर्फ 15,000 बचे हैं, और वो मैं पार्टनर्स में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर दूंगी ओल्ड रेशियो में. नाउ क्लियर?
यस मैम. एक चीज और, अगर ये बुक वैल्यू 1 लाख है और मार्केट वैल्यू 1,05,000 तो हम उसे कैसे दिखाएंगे?
उसका क्वेश्चन अभी आने वाला है. उसका क्वेश्चन आने वाला है अभी आगे, ठीक है? उसका क्वेश्चन आने.
इसकी कंबाइन एंट्री हो सकती है?
Combined entry you can do. Combined entry will be investment fluctuation reserve account debited to then it will be 20,000. To investment account 5,000, to Ace Capital account you can do the combined entry. Yes, it's allowed.
Okay. मतलब मार्क्स तो कटेंगे ना?
No, marks will not be deducted for that. Tell Mehak that meeting is unlocked and please don't so all the queries have been answered. Now going to the next question. And Siddhant, whatever is taught in the last class, please revise all that, because the question which you are asking, I have already done that question yesterday in the theory part. But anyhow, we will be doing the practical question related to that. This is question number 16 in the book. In this question, all the cases will come. Whether the market value is equal, whether the market value is less, whether the market value is more. And you will be clear why two amounts are there, because this is a very clear question, revising all the cases. Now question number 16. Nitin, Arun and Amar. Let me take the highlighter again. Nitin, Tarun and Amar are partners sharing profits equally. So the PSR, old PSR is 1:1:1. And decide to share profits in the ratio of 2:2:1. So new PSR is 2:2:1. With effect from 1st April 2018, the extract of their balance sheet is given. See, in the liability side, they have written reserves. Reserves they have created of 60,000. That is from their profits, they have taken 60,000 rupees for these fluctuations, for dealing in the fluctuations in the investment. And the investment book value is 4 lakh rupees. Now the cases are given to us. You just look at the question carefully, because when I will be going to the solution, this will not be visible. Only the answers will be visible. Now the first is when the pass the journal entries in each of the following situations. All the 5 situations will be covering all your doubts which you have in your mind. When its market value is not given, market value is not at all given to us, market value दी ही नहीं है, उस केस में क्या है, हम कंसिडर कर लेंगे कि हमारे पास पूरा रिजर्व एज इट इज रखा हुआ है. So all that reserve will be distributed in the partners in their old place. So in the first case, when the market value is not given to us, reserve is lying intact with us, and we are distributing that in the partners capital account in their old PSR. That means investment fluctuation reserve account debited to Nitin's capital account, to all the partners capital account equally. Old PSR is equal. Now the second case given to us is when market value is given as 4 lakh. Market value is 4 lakh and the book value is also 4 lakh. So that means there is no fluctuation. When there is no fluctuation, we will not be charging any amount. We will not be taking out any amount from the reserve. So 60,000 reserve is there with us. So at the time of change in PSR, this 60,000 we will be distributing among the partners in their old PSR. Now, when its market value is given as 4,24,000, मार्केट वैल्यू बढ़ गई है, मार्केट वैल्यू 4,24,000 हो गई है. बुक में हमने इन्वेस्टमेंट की वैल्यू लिखी हुई है और जब हमने उसको मार्केट में चेक करा तो मार्केट में उसकी वैल्यू है 4,24,000. दैट मीन्स 24,000 जो है वो हमें बेनिफिट हो गया. उस बेनिफिट को हम कहाँ लिखेंगे? उस बेनिफिट को भी हम रिवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट में लिख लेंगे. क्रेडिट रिवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट में डेबिट साइड में हमारा जो भी नुकसान हो जाता है वो हम लिख लेते हैं. एंड इन द क्रेडिट साइड whatever benefit we are getting, that we record in the credit side. So what we are doing is, first we are distributing this 60,000 reserve in the partners capital account in their PSR. Then what we are doing, investments account debited to revaluation account. Revaluation account we are crediting by the money which we have gained, that is 24,000. 24,000 benefit we have got. So we have credited that to revaluation account. Now the profit in the revaluation account will be distributed in the partners capital account, will be credited to the partners capital account in their old PSR. Clear? Siddhant, now clear if the value is more? Yes. Now the fourth point is when its market value is given as 3,70,000. 3,70,000 हो गई market value और balance sheet में हमने कितना लिखा हुआ है? 4 lakh. That means 30,000 is the fall in the value of the investment. So what we are doing, this is the combined entry they have done, Sahil, here, which you were asking. Combined entry also they have done.
Yes,
Yes. Now what we have done is investment fluctuation reserve account debited 60,000. 30,000 is the fall in the value of the asset that we have recorded in two investment account. And now how much amount is left? Only 30,000 rupees are left out of reserve. Those 30,000 will be distributed among the partners in their old PSR, which is equal. That will be credited to partners capital account in old PSR. Now, fifth situation given to us is when market value is given as 3,10,000. Book value is 4 lakh and market value is 3,10,000. That means what is the amount of fall? 90,000 is the amount of fall. This is the amount of fall to investment account 90,000. And in the reserve we have only 60,000 rupees. So those extra 30,000 we will be taking out from where? That 30,000 will be charged from the revaluation account. That will be debited in the revaluation account. So entry will be investment fluctuation reserve account 60,000, revaluation account debit 30,000, to investment account 90,000. Now this loss of 30,000 in the revaluation account will be debited in the partner's capital account in their old PSR. Clear about it? All the cases are clear to you? Okay, Kaveri has typed yes. Very good. Yes, Sahil has also typed yes, ma'am. Now coming to question number 19, the serial number of the question may be a little different in the book, but we are studying it for concept clarity. So please find out which question number is this. Some earlier questions I found out for you. X, Y are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 2:1. On 31st March 2018, their balance sheet showed general reserve of 60,000. General reserve is there of 60,000. It was decided that in future they will share profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. New PSR is given to us as 3:2. Pass necessary journal entry in each of the alternative cases. If general reserve is not to be shown in the new balance sheet, what will we will be doing? Simple case, general reserve is 60,000. What we will be doing?
हम डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर देंगे इसको.
Distribute कर देंगे. Simple. In which ratio?
हम ऑल्टरेशन करेंगे.
Old PSR. Very good. So we will distribute 60,000. We will credit 60,000 in the partner's capital account in their old PSR. Now the second part is if general reserve is to be shown in the new balance sheet. Last case which we did. If we have decided that in the case of change in PSR, when we balance sheet of the reconstituted firm, we want to show the amount of general reserve in the balance sheet. Liabilities में हम general reserve का amount show करेंगे 60,000. तब हम क्या करें नए बैलेंस शीट में जब हमें शो करना है? How we will pass the adjustment entry? Yes.
सेक्रीफाइसिंग पार्टनर है वो गेनिंग पार्टनर से ले लेगा.
Very good. We will calculate, very good Sahil. We will calculate the sacrificing ratio. We will calculate the gaining ratio. And then what will be the journal entry? Journal entry will be gaining partners capital account debited to sacrificing partners capital account in the ratio of gaining ratio and sacrificing ratio. See the answer. First part, if general reserves are not to be shown in the new balance sheet, in that case, general reserve to X capital account, old ratio, to Y's capital account, old PSR. पूरे जनरल रिजर्व को पार्टनर्स ने डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर लिया, अपने अकाउंट्स में क्रेडिट कर लिया इन देयर ओल्ड PSR. And the second case is that they want to carry forward the value of the general reserve. In that case, we will pass an adjustment entry. We will calculate the sacrificing and gaining ratio, which is coming to X is sacrificing by 1/15 and the gaining ratio of Y is 1/15. So what we will do is general reserve are 60,000. 60,000 into 1/15, it is coming to 4,000. Gaining partners capital account debit, Y will compensate 2x by the amount of rupees 4,000. Clear about it? Enough questions I have done to have clarity about this concept. Okay, Akshay.